Hi guys, so today is Monday, October 5th, and it's my cousin's birthday, my little cousin. Friday is mine, so we're going to take him out for his birthday.
Done my best, so everything's alright.
Alright guys, so we're out here in a fall, so the sea kind of choppy. Where may I go? You can get a boat ride if you want to. Around here nice, but it's raining, so we can't go out there. Out here nice, not like. Our next island? Oh, that was
Hold on.
Hi guys! So it is officially my birthday, and I am out here, and I'm wearing my sash and everything because my birthday tete. Anyways, guys, I'm so grateful today. I'm not in the best of spirits, like I'm not as chirpy as I usually am, but I am grateful for another year of life, and I'm thankful for another year of life. And in all things, people say birthday are just another day and whatever, but to have another day in general is a blessing. Anything could have happened in that year, and more to make it to today, but I am thankful that I made it. So I'm on the road now with Jerome, and yeah, I don't know what we're doing. I don't know what we're going to do, if we're going to do anything. But just step on the road and may I wait to see if we're gonna do anything, or cause you know Corona, so no one really open like that. So yeah. And if you told me happy birthday, thank you very much. I really appreciated it, and I love the messages that I'm getting so far. I am just loving them. Anyways guys, thank you all for riding this train with us. Thanks for all the old subbies from day one subbies, and thank you to all the brand new subbies. And tell a friend, man, tell somebody to come over, come watch and subscribe and all of that. Share your favorite video. Why they might try stop me sharing. Anyways, share your favorite. Okay, I think that's my cue to go. Share your favorite video with someone and make them come over, come watch we, and join the family and all of that. So yeah.
Come, sir. Come on, man. Come. No, man, the water cool for you. I'm not lying. It's cool, man. Come here. Alright, come. Come here, man. Come, birthday dip. Come in, birthday dip. Yeah.
Alright. Ooh. Your finger there weird.
No.
Yes?
No.
Yes.
Well, me I see it good. Come, ready?
Alright, ready?
Yeah. Come on. You cannot stop in your ground.
You have to take time, you have to crawl before you walk.
Alright, come. Can you stop up yourself? So you got to turn back. Oh, no, that real thing, I'm ready. Set. And there you go.
Go under.
Under you want me go? I put the phone under though, not me. Ready?
Your finger out that way.
My finger in that way. If you draw my phone, I have it out.
Say what you want.
Where are we?
We are at where's the name again? Shea River in St. Mary.
And it's my birthday!
Yup.
Oh God, you know what?
I float no people, you see it. When is that water there? I float.
Yeah, I never understood. Oh gosh. Go and learn to float like how Nadine shows.
Alright, watch me.
You have to lift up your hand.
See your hand there? Float me, I float. Don't my phone. I'm fine, I'm fine. And the worst part, before I didn't, like years the grandmarket, I won't be able to fit 31. So doesn't matter, listen to 24, I'm for this bank. So fast, you put iron down the way I got it. You can't mind yourself to steal.
Just learn to steer, boy. Oh, you want to keep me in
You're not seeing them. What make?
You have to steer them.
Look at me, you're not seeing them.
Not try what you want to do.
Nah, you're not learning enough.
What make?
If water deep, and then jump in the water, you try to get, mommy not jump in there.
What make I don't
You don't think I'm going to because you're not jumping there.
That's how you put it dead.
No, I mean, I'm not saying one thing then. But it don't make no sense you got jump.
Yeah, you're dead.
So, in that one day,
You have to go learn to swim before you
they say to learn to swim, but the fact that we know we can't swim.
You have to go learn to do it before you
You want to do something, you can't go in our window. You're ball, not to help.
But I want video where they have man and show and I go in the next man and see a man upon it, the man make huge down. You want to go to see him? That's the most I have to look them knock them out.
And if you have to know who will then
because you don't
I
find
don't know.
there is no you. And they might try to pull you down to it. Yeah, then don't you. Now tell nobody that they have saved them so well.
When you say this, you have to say that he get some and get some on you. Shoot them guys.
Next time no fire. Yo, I roll with this. Don't be able to live it around here. So, catch on. And then anyway they will on fire, then I'll let them yeah, you don't with them. Come back there, brother. So you know upstairs, you won't go. You ready? Ready? Come here, my backslide. Come, you have to see him. Come, ready? Shut them out. One, two, three. Come here. That's a big deal. I think it's your foot. Ready? Come on, go ahead. Mad. Who teach you? Who teach you? Yo, give me credit. Who teach you?
Daddy.
Jerome teacher.
Daddy. Oh, you have to take this up when I don't know.